Hey Marty, Terry, we're over here at your place. I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough video so you can see some of the main items that need to be addressed here at your home. First things first, you need a doorbell. They're going to be adding that on here at your front door. Little area right here in your front door that needs to be addressed. So they're going to be taking care of that. As we're looking at most of the house here, you're going to see a bunch of little specks of blue tape throughout. You'll also see some green tape. Those tape marks are just indicative of needing paint touch-up, so they're really nothing overly concerning to worry about. So let's start here towards the front of the home in your den area. That big green X that you see there, that's just to indicate that there's a little piece of paint touch-up that needs to be done right there. So anything that you see as far as an X on the floor indicates to look up and address some type of paint issue up on the ceiling. Here in the den, it's really just some minor paint touch-up, as you can see by the little blue pieces of tape throughout here. So overall, pretty good. There's a little crack that they're going to fill in right here on the door as well to the den. Coming into the dining area here, nothing major to report, just some various paint touch-ups. Again, as you can tell with the blue tape. Coming back here towards the laundry, again, paint touch-up, paint touch-up, paint touch-up. Back here, there's a little drywall repair that they need to get done. Touching up the door. Here, the cabinet in the laundry here, it's sticking a little bit, so they're gonna do a cabinet adjustment there. And then back here in your AC closet, I'm gonna make sure that they repaint that trim right there for you, where your AC vent goes. Out here in the garage area, the casing on the door here, it's not flush like it needs to be, so they're going to readjust the casing here. Paint touch-ups in the garage, pretty common. Right up here, little area where they just need to kind of fill in that gap a little bit better. And then also up here along your line, they're gonna fill in that hole there. Again, paint touch-up, and paint touch-up. These lights up here, they'll come through, the cleaners will. They'll get rid of all those bugs that you see on the inside as well. They're gonna do that at your final cleaning. Your attic access, the panel is up there. They just need to put it on there. On the exterior of the panel access, there's just some drywall touch-up that they're gonna be needing to do there as well. All right, coming back into the house. In this guest bedroom here, paint touch-up, paint touch-up, paint touch-up. And then we have this closet door here. Notice how there's a gap at the top of the right-hand side, so they're gonna do an adjustment on that door so that it looks nice and flush. And none of the windows have the screens on it because they were cleaning the windows, so you need screens on all of your windows here. Coming down the hallway, your guest bath here, essentially the same deal, just some paint touch-up here and there, nothing of major consequence to consider other than some paint touch-up here in the bathroom. The back bedroom here, again, same deal, and with the paint touch-up, nothing major to report. They are going to see, you can tell that there's a little gap there. They're going to do an adjustment on the closet door so that that's nice and flush as well. Coming back in here, this linen closet here in the hallway. They need to fix the drywall where it meets the casing here. You can see there's a gap that runs along that shouldn't be there, so they're going to fix that there. And then also you can see on the other side here, this gap should not be here. They're going to adjust that and take care of that. All right, coming out into the main area, your great room. Really nothing but touch-up paint is needed here. And then this hanging wire here, that is just for your Wi-Fi, that Wi-Fi booster that they add into the home. In your master, we have paint touch-ups. Over here, they have to finalize the outlet here, so they'll repair that drywall where they had to move the electric. Otherwise, it's just paint touch-up in here. In the closet, just a few areas of paint touch-up, pretty good shape there. And then in your bathroom, again, really just mainly paint touch-up here. They have to caulk that and seal that. Otherwise, we have nothing but a few paint touch-ups to consider here in your master bath. Overall, looks pretty good. Coming back out into the main area here, one thing that I did forget to point out, which was over here by the laundry, down here, they need to address the casing and the tile area here, and then also caulking around the other side of the base there. In your kitchen, paint touch-ups above the not sure if you can tell, but that blue arrow right above the cabinet there, some drywall that needs to be addressed right there above the cabinetry. And then just paint touch-ups. These drawers right here underneath the cooktop do not open correctly, so you can see them kind of tugging on it. So those two drawers there, they're going to make an adjustment on those two. Every other cabinet in here I opened and closed, and they all open correctly and as intended. I did run all of the sinks as well. All of the sinks are working properly, and there's no active leaks underneath the cabinetry area. Back here towards your pool bath, a couple of different paint touch-ups, things of that nature. Nothing major to report. Your pool bath stucco here, they have to fix that, so they'll fix that threshold there. Over here by your sliding glass doors, they don't have any of the stoppers. Stoppers meaning when you open these doors, they're not supposed to hit the other side and hit these handles, because that can knock the handle right off. There's supposed to be stoppers down below that keep these doors from slamming into your handle, so they're going to add those in there. Coming out into the lanai area, a couple items out here for them to address. Some touching up of paint on the walls here, which we have notated. Over here by the outdoor kitchen, they still have to finish off putting crown molding in and around that wall there, and then also around your vented hood. So there's going to be more crown that gets put out there. Other than being a little dirty and needing a clean, your outdoor kitchen is working really well. As far as no dents, bruises, nicks, or scrapes, everything looks good there. Your pool area, there's an area right here of some pavers that need to be leveled out. So they already were here looking at that a little while ago. This is that area right outside your pool bath door that they need to address. And then also along the exterior of your home. They need to do a remulch because of the rain. The mulch has been washing away, so they will get that handled as well. For the most part, you're in pretty good shape here. Most of everything that we notated are simple type fixes, nothing of real major concern to worry about. This is pretty standard issue type walkthrough items that we deal with Lennar. So if you have any questions, give me a call and we'll be in touch. Talk to you soon.